Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video, I thought it'd be really cool to give you guys an update on my 2-week progress on how to put your legs over your head. If you're new here, please go and watch the first video. Although this pose is really not easy, I feel like my progress is actually quite good. It's slightly easier, and basically in this video I'm going to share with you my stretching routine and how I basically got to like this level of flexibility. Also going to share with you some of the benefits of stretching and yoga, and essentially basically teach you how to put your legs over your head. Although remember, this is a disclaimer, every body is different. Never ever force yourself into positions that you are not ready for. And also you guys, if you're watching, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. It literally helps me so much. So basically what I'm doing first is I'm just gone into downward dog. This really helps to improve your flexibility. It energizes the body. It helps to calm the mind and brain. It's also really good if you suffer from anxiety or mild depression. Now coming into bite pose, which is a great pose at improving your balance and your confidence as well. Also a really great stretch for your legs as well. Just coming into puppy pose, which is an amazing stretch at opening up your upper shoulders and your chest. Really breathe into your stretches, you guys. It's also amazing at improving your body's digestive system. Now I'm just coming into dolphin. Really vital to ensure to really warm your body up before attempting really challenging poses like putting your legs behind your head. So these basically help to warm our bodies up, really prepare the muscles and help to really stretch our bodies. Did you guys know by like opening up the chest and the heart physically, it literally opens up your chest and your heart emotionally and mentally, you guys? I really feel like the more I stretch my body, the more my mind opens and my awareness and my consciousness really opens up. And the more I become open to new ideas and possibilities, and I'm truly reminded that limits only exist within my mind. You are literally limitless. You are infinite potential, just like the universe. This is another amazing pose, which is called camel pose. Camel pose really helps to open up the hips. It helps to expand the abdominal region. So basically it improves your digestive system and elimination. So basically helps you to get rid of toxins. It opens up your chest. It improves your respiration and lets you get like more oxygen to your cells. And it really can also help to relieve lower back pain. It can also help to improve your posture. So next we are just going to do like a side plank with one leg raised. Don't worry if you can't do this, it's quite challenging. And then we're coming to the other side, stretching our shoulders out and then stretching our legs. Remember, whilst practicing yoga, to be kind with your body, be patient with yourself, go in with zero expectations and just like breathe, flow with your body. Coming into cobra, inhale positivity and gratitude, exhale negative emotions. Now coming into a yoga squat. Remember to be grateful for your body, showing gratitude, love and kindness. Remember, don't be too harsh on yourself, especially if you can't do any of these poses. Be kind, be patient with your body. So we're just coming into a middle split, just stretching out our hips. Stretching your hips is literally amazing. We're now just gonna lean to one side, really stretching our spine. This helps to improve your body's posture. It also helps to prevent or relieve backache. And also by stretching your hips, it really helps to relieve the body of stress and anxiety, as when you stretch your hips, it's connected to one of the main stress responses in the body, one of the muscles. I'm now just really deeply stretching my legs out, lifting them all the way up. Just love stretching. It really calms my mind. It also helps to relieve tension or any like pain building up within my body. We are now coming into downward dog. A great stretch. I'm now coming into an amazing forward fold, which is really beneficial for your digestive system. Forward folds really help to soothe the nervous system. They also help to tone and stimulate the internal organs. They also increase circulation to the pelvic organs, and they really calm the mind and body. Coming into standing one-legged forward fold, amazing at stretching your hamstrings and your calves. Remember to breathe into the stretches, you guys. Breathe consciously and mindfully. Breathe any anxiety or stress, just let it all go. Just breathe it out, you guys. And breathe in healing and gratitude. Forward folds really help to calm your mind and brain. They can also help to relieve anxiety or mild depression. Tapping the opposite arm to the opposite leg. Coming into a pigeon pose. This stretch stimulates the internal organs. It's a really deep stretch for your glutes. It also stretches your groin and also stretches your main stress response muscle, which is called, I'm going to link it down, no, I'm going to write it down below since I cannot pronounce it. It's psoas. And this position can also help you if you suffer from urinary disorders. Just coming into a wide-legged forward fold. This pose is really good at sculpting your abs. It also helps to calm the mind and brain, and I'm just stretching out my shoulders, going from side to side. Also really vital when getting into a position like putting your legs over your head. It's really vital to stretch out your shoulders and your neck muscles to prevent any injury or soreness. Now just focusing on warming up the shoulders, just doing like a few circles with our shoulders, really like get the movement into the shoulders. And this helps to relieve any tension that may have built up in the shoulders. Just doing some arm circles as you raise up, inhale, as you lower, exhale. And truly remember, you guys, you are limitless. I know I keep saying it, but I just want you guys to never ever forget it. And I'm also just connecting my arms behind my back. Tyrese was complaining that he was too hot. Literally, the sun was like beaming down on us. It was a really hot day. But I'm just connecting my arms behind my back. Great stretch for the shoulders and arms. Just gonna come into a reversed prayer, a really great heart opening pose. Opening up your chest, your heart, your lungs. Great for your shoulders as well. We are now going back into boat pose, just doing a few ankle rolls to increase the mobility, relieving any tension that may have built up in the ankles or feet. This is a great stretch for your calves and your hamstrings. And also coming wide into a wide hip opener. This is great at improving your balance, also great for your core as well as stretching out your legs. It also helps to improve your confidence and your stability. And now we are just really gonna make sure that our neck is properly warmed up, as it's so vital, you guys. Really roll your neck. Like, do as many as you can, really get in the movement, releasing any tension in the joints and the muscles, really like move it around. Lastly but not least, just coming into a lovely downward dog, then dolphin. Then coming into a cat's cow pose, and then coming into a puppy pose. Great stretch, opening up your upper shoulders, and then just coming into a cat's cow pose. Inhale as you round the spine. Inhale as you come into cow. Exhale as you come into cat. Now time to rest, coming into child's pose, a really great resting pose, really great for your internal organs and calming the mind and brain. Moving from side to side, stretching my arms and shoulders a little bit. Well done for following along with me, you guys. Amazing job. And now all that's left to do is attempt the legs over our head. And remember, you guys, don't ever force yourself into positions that you're not ready for. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I shall see you guys in my next upload. Wishing you nothing but peace, love, and light. Mwah.